Hello everyone, welcome back. Today we're diving into the KLEVV DDR5 32GB SODIMM kit, specifically the 5600MHz CL46 version. This memory is designed to breathe new life into your laptop, and we're going to see if it lives up to the hype. This kit features two 16GB sticks, totaling 32GB of DDR5 goodness. The 5600MHz speed is a significant jump over older DDR4 modules, promising faster data transfer rates and improved overall system responsiveness. The CL46 latency isn't the absolute tightest on the market, but it's a respectable figure for SODIMM memory, especially at this speed. One of the key highlights of this KLEVV kit is its use of SK Hynix A-die chips. These chips are known for their overclocking potential and stability. While overclocking SODIMM memory in a laptop can be limited by thermal constraints, the quality of the underlying chips gives you confidence in the module's reliability and potential headroom. The 1.1V operating voltage is also worth noting. This lower voltage helps to keep power consumption and heat generation in check, which is crucial for laptop environments where thermal management is paramount. You want performance gains without turning your laptop into a portable furnace. Installation is as straightforward as any other SODIMM module. Simply locate the memory slots in your laptop, remove the old modules, if any, and firmly insert the KLEVV sticks until they click into place. Make sure to consult your laptop's manual for specific instructions and compatibility information. In terms of performance, the KLEVV DDR5 5600MHz SODIMM kit delivers a tangible boost in various workloads. Applications launch noticeably faster, multitasking becomes smoother, and even gaming benefits from the increased memory bandwidth. While the exact performance gains will vary depending on your laptop CPU and other components, the upgrade is generally worthwhile, especially if you're coming from slower or lower capacity memory. The KLEVV DDR5 SODIMM kit is a solid choice for anyone looking to upgrade their laptop's memory. The combination of fast speeds, quality components, and reasonable latency makes it a compelling option.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.